Yeah, good morning, everybody. Welcome back to yet another Sunday for a story time with Jan. This time we are taking up a tale from Andhra Pradesh. Well, you might have come across the word destiny. Destiny is not a negative word. You are destined to achieve or you are destined to fail. It's a question of luck or ill luck. Both are parts of destiny. Now we are going to talk about a bit of destiny. What you are destined to get, you will get. What you are destined not to get, you will never get. Well, here was a king. Hundreds of years ago, was ruling Andhra. A very generous king, willing to spare some part of his wealth only for donating beggars. Every day, he used to stand in front of his palace and give alms. Alms means ALMS, alms. He used to give, and beggars used to come and take and go. And there were two young men, or rather one young man and one old man. The young man, the moment he gets, he would start flattering. You know the meaning of flattering? Praising somebody on the face. Oh, king, the king gives, the king gives, the king is generous. And next comes the old man. And the old man generally would say, oh, God gives, God gives. Well, this happened quite a number of days. Always this young man would come first. He would say, it's a king who gives. And the old man would say, it's God who gives. The king wanted the old man to learn a lesson. That it's not God who gives. It's me. I who give. Let the old man understand. So what he did one day, he gave a purse of gold, kept a purse of gold on the road, and told the young man, oh young man, walk on this road till the end and come back. And the young man was a bit surprised. Well, maybe king wants me to enjoy whatever is around, and once I come back he will give something. And he started walking. After he began his walk, the king told the old man, now you go. The king thought, at least when he sees the young man getting the purse of gold, he would realize it's a king who did all that. The young man went with the thought that, he'll be getting his alms after his return. And he was looking around and not on the road. And naturally, he missed the purse. Whereas the old man was looking down and walking. And he got the purse. And when both of them came, the king asked, did you find anything? And the young man said, oh, praise king. The king has built such a beautiful road on either side, trees, fruit-laden trees. Wonderful. The king gives, the king gives. And the old man said, as always, God gives. God has given me this purse of gold. He showed the purse of gold. The king wanted again, come on, once again it's an old man who has won. I am not able to prove to him that it is I So what he does, he calls a young man and gives him a pumpkin. And inside the pumpkin he kept a lot many gold coins and said, now you take the pumpkin and go. And he didn't give anything to the old man and said, okay, go. The young man thought, he was walking, he thought, what will I do with this pumpkin? I thought he'll give me some money. He has given me this pumpkin, what do I do? He goes to a shopkeeper and sells the pumpkin for a few coins and goes away. Begs and then says, please take it and take some money. You know, a kind of a barter. He took something and he went away. Then comes the old beggar to the same shop. He asked for alms. He said, I am very hungry. God has not given me anything to eat today. Then the shopkeeper thought, poor fellow. Anyway, this pumpkin, I'm not going to get much of a profit. Let me give this pumpkin over to him. He gives the pumpkin over to the old man. And the old man takes it very happily, thinks, God has given me pumpkin for the day. I can make some curry and have. He goes home, cuts a pumpkin and finds lot many gold coins. He takes it. And the next morning, when they go, the king asks the young man, did you get anything from what I gave you yesterday? And he said, yes, my lord. I sold the pumpkin over to a shopkeeper and he gave me a few gold coins. Okay, good. But he was not happy, but he wanted to ask the old man, what old man? Did your God give you anything? And the old man said, yes, my lord. Yesterday a shopkeeper gave me alms. He gave me a pumpkin. I took the pumpkin and believe me, God had given me all gold coins through the pumpkin. It was all full of gold coins. And now the king understood what destiny decides to give. God cannot take it back. Sorry, the king cannot take it back. And what God destines to take away, the king cannot give it back. That's a story for you this week. And let's meet next week once again. Thank you. Bye bye.